Hi YouTube. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your own custom made Windows XP unattended CD DVD. For this you're going to need a few things, such as a program called DriverMax. This is for backing up your drivers before you format your computer. You're going to need a small program called IsoBuster, which will eventually get your boot file for booting your finished CD. You're going to need a program called nLite. This is used for some integration, and you're going to need Nero 5 point something, but say Nero 6 and upwards. This will burn your disk at the end. And if you've got either WinZip or WinRAR, you're going to need either one of those two. If not, download them. I've put the links, direct download links, in the description bar, so if you want to install them all before we start, I'm going to pause the video here. Now if you're ready, we're going to create a folder in the C drive, that's the hard drive, or whatever letter that may be on your computer. In my case it's the C. So we're in the root of the C. If you right click on a blank part of the screen there and go to new and then folder, we'll call this boot CD, and if you go into the boot CD and create 4 folders, one called deploy, second called drivers, third service pack, and the fourth call it working. And you can also put in another folder there called XP SP3 Updatepack, and I'll show you in a second what it should look like. Now if you've finished that, it should look something like this. This is your boot CD folder, and within that you have your deploy folder, drivers folder, service pack folder, working folder, and your XP Service Pack 3 Update Pack folder. Now if you have all those, first of all put in your original Windows XP either home or professional CD. Go to my computer, right click on your CD drive containing that CD, and go to explore, like so. So I go to my computer. In my case it's this drive here, is the Windows XP CD. So I right click on that and then I go up to explore. Should be opening my disk now. So this is the contents of the XP disk. All I'm going to copy out of here, the i386 folder, the support folder, and the setup file, which is this one here, and also these 3 other files, which are the Service Pack 2 Windows files. So I'm just going to select those. As you can see, the ones that I have highlighted, they're the ones I'm going to copy. So you right click and go to copy. I'll go back into C drive and boot CD and right click on the working folder and paste them copied files into that folder. This will take a couple of minutes, so I'll just pause the video and be right back. And it should look something like this. the contents within that folder. So now that we have the Windows XP disk still in, what we'll do, we'll extract the deployment program, and it goes like this. Just close this window, and I already have my computer window open. If you don't, just go to my computer, right click again on your Windows XP CD, go to Explore, open up the folder called Support, Tools, and this is where you're going to need either your WinRAR or WinZip archiving program. Anyway, go to this file here which says deploy, right click. I'm going to use my WinZip. I'm going to extract to. I'll just go through this piece here. Go to my computer, pick the local drive C, and then boot CD, and deploy the deploy folder, and just extract whichever way it is that you do it, but extract it to that folder, and that is grand. So again, while we've still got the Windows CD in, now we're going to extract the boot sector part of it out of the disk. So I hope that you have IsoBuster installed. Now open up your IsoBuster program. This window will appear. Now with your Windows CD still in there, if you click over on the left panel on the boot CD, then go over to the right panel, you'll see the Microsoft Corporation image. So if you right click on that and go to the top option which says extract Microsoft image, click on extract and navigate to your C drive, your boot CD, and just save it into the boot CD directory, not into any of the other folders. So that's saved and that's done. It's that part over with. So now if you go back into your my computer, your C drive, open up your boot CD folder, you should see now in the deploy the folders that you extracted into there. That's okay. And also this is the image of the boot CD. So that's it up to there now. What we're going to do next is integrate the Service Pack 3 into the working i386 folder. So if you open up the Service Pack folder, if you downloaded earlier the Service Pack 3 network into that folder, all good and well, but wherever you downloaded it to, copy and paste it into the Service Pack folder. Once you have done that, right click the folder, the file, and go to your WinZip or WinRAR, whatever it is that you use, and extract it within the Service Pack folder. So in other words, where you are at the moment. So here I say extract to here. So I'm doing that. That may take a couple of minutes. Just waiting. As you see there now, it's copying the files over. So I'll just let it do that and I'll be back in 2 minutes. So once that's finished, just close the window like so.